Hi everyone. This is a little relaxation that you can do, and you could do this while you're sitting in your chair, if you're taking a little break from doing some work, or if you want, you can lay down and do this one. It's up to you. So let's start. This one's quite simple at the beginning. Let's just pretend that we are taking some lemons in our hands, and let's just squeeze them as tight as we can. Get all of that juice out, and then drop the lemons and relax your hands. And if I ask you to pick up 2 more lemons and squeeze the juice out as hard as you can, as tense your arms as you can, and let it go. Okay. Now if we move to your arms and shoulders, let's just pretend for a moment here that you're a turtle, just chilling in the sun, but all of a sudden you sense danger. So what do you have to do? You have to tuck your head in. So I'm going to pull my shoulders up and my ears and tuck my head in until I think it's safe. Okay, it's safe, and I can come back out. Okay, and let's try that one more time. Here comes that trouble again. And scrunch those shoulders up to tuck your head in. And being really careful, and the danger is past. Okay, I can come back out. Next, we'll move on to your shoulders and your back a little bit. So for this one, let's pretend we're a cat. Reach out in front of you. Stretch those arms and really give those paws a stretch in front of you. And now maybe up above. Oh yeah, that feels good. Stretching your back and your arms and your fingers. Maybe moving them side to side. And let them go. Okay. One more time, pretending to be a cat. Really stretching those front paws out in front of you. Really tense them out. And up over your head. Oh, feel that in your back. That feels so good. And drop them quick. Notice how that feels in your body. Now imagine you've had this happen, right? Where you have a fly that just won't leave you alone and it's flying on your face. But this time we're not going to use our hands to get that fly off our face. We're just going to scrunch our face up, especially our nose. Are you ready? Here comes the fly. So scrunch up your nose, wiggle it around, tighten your face, tighten it up, and relax. The fly is gone. We know flies though, they always come back. So here it comes, and scrunch up your face, especially your nose. Keep it up there, scrunched up, whole face, and relax. You notice when your nose is relaxed, the rest of your face feels relaxed too. That's something to probably keep in mind. Now let's imagine you are laying on the ground, and here comes an elephant near you, so you got to tighten your stomach in case it thinks it's going to step on top of you. Ready? Here we go. We're going to tighten our stomach and go. Make sure it's really, really as tight as you can get it. And the elephant went the other way, so we can relax. Okay. Whew. Come in again. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh no, is he going to step on you? Tighten that tummy up. Really pull it in tight. Luckily for us, he went the other way. Let's relax again. Okay. Let's do one more. Imagine you are in mud. We all love playing in mud. I want you to dig those toes way down in that squishy mud and feel that mud go in between your toes. Really move those feet and squish down in as deep as you can into the mud. And then relax. And just sit on top of the mud for a moment. And one more time, let's really squish down deep into the mud. Feel that mud between your toes. Really squishing and relax. So, just a little way to quickly get some relaxation in your body. And you notice if you do tensing and releasing, you can notice a huge difference in how your body feels when you let go of all that tension. So give it a try once in a while and see how you feel. Have a good day.